Hey guys, before the video starts, I just want to remind you to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. What is up guys, it's Kevino back with another video, and today we're at the Hilton Clearwater. I'm going to be telling you guys everything you need to know about the resort, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to comment them down below. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Hilton Clearwater has everything you could possibly need, from an ATM to a gym to a laundry and even a gift shop. But most importantly, they have room service. That's right. If you're hungry in the middle of the night, don't worry. They got you covered. All right, so now we're entering into the pool using our handy dandy electronic key card. This view is beautiful, guys. The palm trees, everything. The pool area was one of the nicest, cleanest pools that I've been to. If you're coming down to Tampa or Clearwater, this is the place you want to be. So a common question I get on every single one of my videos is it cheap? Is it affordable? Because, you know, everything's about money these days. I can tell you guys firsthand that you are getting a bargain right here. It's not all inclusive like the Cancun one, but so you do have to pay for your own food and other expenses, but for the price you pay, which is about $180 to $200 a night, you get incredible value because there's so much to do, so much that's provided. You get free towel rentals, free bike rentals. You get the foosball and ping pong table, which I'll show you guys later. There's a business center, meeting rooms, conference rooms. There's a couple computers in the lobby in case if you need to print something out for work or fax something. Or there's so many resources available to you guys. It's insane. Moving on though, this bouncy castle, I didn't actually get a chance to go there, but it looks incredible. It's like the biggest bouncy castle slide I've ever seen. It's like any kid's dream. So moving along, just some close-ups of the bar next to the adult pool. There's two pools, the kids pool and the adult pool, as you might have seen. By the way guys, this is all my footage. This is all footage that I took on my drone while I was there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back at the front of the hotel. Guys, I'm just gonna say less. Look at this. Typical, you know, entrance to a hotel. Nothing special besides, you know, the hot Florida sun. Who could hate on that? Anyway, I'm just gonna let this play out for you. Alright guys, as you might have seen up the stairs, we got the lobby. On the left you have your restaurant with breakfast. On the right you have your concierge. They'll help you out with anything you need. You got your elevators. Typical. On the right hand side you have your gift shop. This was pretty awkward. I had to walk past this family. They were just staring at me all weird. But yeah, you can get hats, sunscreen, whatever you need in there. There's a vending machine. This long hallway contains the spa, as you see right here on your right side. And further down, up ahead to the left, there is your business center with conference rooms. But first we'll see the gym, which is right here. I hope I didn't seem like a stalker just putting my GoPro in the gym, you know, whatever. Yeah, there's the meeting rooms, there's the conference rooms and stuff like that. And up ahead will be an entrance to the outside, which, fun fact about this, connected inside, actually within the hotel. You don't even have to leave the hotel. There is a Starbucks, there's another breakfast restaurant, and I believe a gelato place. I can't remember, but there's many things that are contained within this kind of whole Hilton Clearwater ecosystem that you really don't need anything else. But But if you do need something else, there's plenty of beach shops all around. Actually, Mandalay Avenue, the street that Hilton Clearwater is located on, has plenty of restaurants, attractions, things to do. You'll never be bored here, guys, but I'm just gonna leave it here. I'll see you on the other side.
Let's go!
Alright guys, so there's two ways you can walk through the front entrance. We walked through the other way before. Now I'm going to take you through this way. On the right you have your valet, your ATM. Walking through here, this is your entrance into the beach. You have your foosball and ping pong tables, and that blue hut on the right there was the towel rentals, where you can also do your bike rentals. So that's all located on the bottom floor. The lobby's one floor above, if you paid attention. Here guys, we're on the beach. Tommy's Tiki is the place to be. It is your go-to beach bar. They actually do a delivery service where a guy on an ATV comes around and serves drinks to you for free. Alright, I'm just going to explain the towel system real quick. You get, I think, 4 or 6 towel cards when you check in. And you can exchange them for towels. So when you give them a towel card, they give you a towel. And when you're done with your towels, you go back, bring your towels back, and they give you towel cards to then reuse. So I've been reading your guys' comments and really been trying to take them into consideration and improve my footage. And a lot of you guys wanted more beach shots. You guys wanted to see more of the, fun, nice stuff and less of the hotel boring crap. So here it is. As if there wasn't already enough to do. You guys might have seen the pier a couple times throughout this video already. I haven't really talked about it because I've been waiting. But you can do so much on the pier. You can go fishing. There's a bunch of outdoor shows at night. There's attractions. You can get your hair braided. There's so much to do. Okay, I thought this clip was really unique. Watch. What? It was like football. Yeah, kind of random, but I threw my GoPro to my dad. He threw it back and I caught it and it looked kind of cool. But here we are, guys. We've arrived at the end of the video. If you made it this far, you must have enjoyed it a little bit. So why not leave a like? Thank you guys for watching so much. I've really been reading the comments and taking criticism and really trying to improve. So I'm going to be coming out with a couple videos I have planned. I have one planned for Chicago, Illinois, which is where I live. And I also have another video that I'm thinking about posting, kind of introducing how to trade stocks and stuff like that. So if you'd be interested, leave a comment. If not, also let me know. Here's a little time lapse of the sunset, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Kevino, and I still have no outro.